How to use ARTSTOR. ARTSTOR is a digital library of images from the arts, architecture, humanities and sciences. It is now part of JSTOR. ARTSTOR can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the A tab. As ARTSTOR is part of JSTOR, there are other image collections also available. You can choose to search all images in JSTOR or only search within the ARTSTOR collection. Type your search term in the search box. As you type, options of where to search will appear. Choose one or click on the magnifying glass to search everything. You can sort the results by relevance, publication date, title, creator or resolution of image. You can filter the results by searching within the results, by image resolution, by publication date, by classification, by geography or location, or by collection. The default setting is to only show content you can access. You can download an image. If you hover your cursor over the image, you can save it. This will require you to set up a free personal account. Either register for one or log in with Microsoft. Selecting the image allows you to get the citation. You can select multiple images to save them all. Click on an image to see more information. You can get the permanent link to the article, get the image details, see related text from JSTOR. You can get the citation, share the image by social media or email, save the image, or download the image. You can zoom in and out of the image or view it in the full screen. You can browse the images by all collections, by ARTSTOR collections, by classification, or by country. You can see any images you've saved by going to your workspace. You can organize your images by creating folders and then selecting the images and moving them to the folder. You can view your images by opening the folder, and you can annotate your images by adding a note. Help on searching and using JSTOR can be found by clicking on the question mark at the top of the screen and choosing Get Support from the drop-down menu.